Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can be able to request a checkbook on your UBA mobile app. So guys, you will learn how to request a new checkbook on your UBA mobile app. So guys, if you want to know how to do it, just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And if this video is helpful to you, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment, as that will help grow this channel. So guys, let's get started. So guys, now the first step you have to take now is to tap on your UBA mobile app to open it. So let me tap on my UBA mobile app to open it. So guys, now you can see the UBA mobile app is opening. So guys, once the UBA mobile app opens up, the next step you have to take now is to sign in. And for you to do that, you have to tap on sign in. So you guys can see sign in right there. So let me tap on it. So guys, right here you can either sign in with your login details, which includes your phone number and your password, or you can sign in with your fingerprint, which is your biometrics. In case you don't know how to log in your UBA mobile app using your fingerprint, I've got you covered. I've already made a video on that topic, on how you can actually use your fingerprint to log into your UBA mobile app. So guys, what you have to do is that after you're done watching this video, then go over to the description of this video. You're going to see a video link right there. What you have to do is to tap on the link so that you can be able to watch and learn how you can enable fingerprint login on your UBA mobile app. So guys, now let me use my fingerprint. Let me tap on the fingerprint icon there on the right hand side. So let me tap on this right away. So guys, what I have to do now is to place my finger on the fingerprint sensor on my phone. So let me place it right away. So guys, now you can see it's logging me in. So guys, now you can see I've been signed into the UBA mobile app using my fingerprint. So guys, now the next step you have to take now towards requesting a new checkbook is to tap on the more icon at the bottom right corner. You can see that horizontal bar at the bottom right corner. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, now under this small page, the next step you have to take now is to tap on the second option, which is written self-service. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now under this self-service, the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see request new check. You can see down there the arrow is pointing at it. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, now this is where you're going to be able to request a new check. So guys, now you can see the first box there where it is written select a bank account. So guys, now you can see my bank account is already selected automatically. You can see it right there. So guys, now over to the second box where it is written check type. You can see this my account has no check type. You can see no card type for this account. So guys, let's go over to the third box where it is written checkbook type. You can see it, checkbook type. So guys, in the banking system there are three types of checkbook. So guys, now for you to actually select the type of checkbook that you want, what you have to do is to tap on where it is written 25 sleeves. You can see that the arrow is pointing at it. Let me tap on it now. So guys, now you can see the checkbook types that we have. The first one is 25 sleeves, the second one is 50 sleeves, while the last one is 100 sleeves. So guys, what you have to do now is to choose the one that you want. So let me go for 50 sleeves. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. So let me tap on it. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to go over to the next box. So guys, let's go over to the next box. You can see what is written there, select pickup branch. So guys, what you have to do right here now is to actually select the branch that you want to pick up your check from. So whichever branch that is closer to your area, what you have to do now is to search out the branch right here. You can actually search out any branch that is within your location. So guys, for you to select the state where you live in, what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see Abia. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see the list of states right here. So what you have to do now is to select the state where you currently live in. So guys, let me select Rivers State because I stay in Rivers State as it stands now. So let me tap on Rivers. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to select the particular UBA bank branch that you want to collect your checkbook in Rivers State. So guys, now you have to select the particular branch, which branch is closer to your area, which branch is closer to your residential area, which branch is closer to where you live. That's what you need to select. Just select the branch that you can easily go to collect your checkbook. So guys, now for you to do that, you have to tap on where the arrow is pointing at. You can see it there. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see all the branches of UBA that we have in Rivers State. What you have to do now is to select the branch that is closest to your area. So guys, let me select one of it right away. Let me select this one right here. So guys, now you can see I've selected the particular branch. So that's what you have to do next now is to add a description. You can see where it is written description. Let me tap on it. You can add anything within the description at all. So let me just type in, I need a checkbook. So guys, now you can see my description, I need a checkbook. So guys, can input anything that you want there. So guys, now after you're done inputting all of this now, what you have to do now is to tap on confirm. Once you tap on confirm, you receive a confirmation message indicating that your checkbook request has been successfully submitted. So what you have to do is that you have to wait for a few working days. Then after that, you have to go over to the bank branch to get your checkbook. And finally guys, make sure you have sufficient funds in your account to cover for any applicable fees for the checkbook request. The fee for the checkbook is within 500 to 1000. So guys, that's how it works. So guys, what you have to do is just to tap on confirm, but unfortunately I will not be tapping on confirm because I don't actually need a checkbook as it stands now. I just had to do this video tutorial so I can teach you guys how you can actually use your UBA mobile app to get or request for your checkbook. Once you tap on confirm, the UBA bank branch that you selected will be notified to actually start the process of making your checkbook available. So guys, that's how it works. Once you tap on confirm, then you're good to go. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys how you can actually request for a checkbook using your UBA mobile app. I've come to the end of this video and I believe you got value from it. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you on our next upload. Bye bye. Peace.